At EMS, we have the capability to scan small parts. And when I mean small, I mean very, very, very small parts. Customers often ask us, how small of a part can you 3D scan? Well, our 3D scanners have a resolution of up to 16 microns, which is 0.016 millimeters, or 6/10,000ths of an inch. And our CT scanners can go even lower than that. So who needs parts this small 3D scanned? There are many industries and applications for small parts, including surgical instruments, medical devices and implants, dental appliances, jewelry, fossils, automotive and aerospace sensors, injectors, precision bearings, electrical connectors, and much more. EMS will pick the right 3D or CT scan technology for your parts to create CAD models or develop inspection reports. These inspection reports can be for dimensional inspection, or with CT scanning, we can look for voids, cracks, mating issues, leaks, and more. So if you have some small parts that you need 3D scanned to either create CAD models or inspection, including dimensional inspection and analysis, give EMS a call at 877-845-2700 or send us an email at info@ems3d.com.